An average person would generally wake up early in the morning, attend the office, come back home and go to bed, and then repeat this process. They may make some savings and at the end of the month would struggle to make ends meet with their salary they received in the starting of the month. But an intelligent person would rather pick up passive income. These people generally do their job and along with do some side jobs and ultimately end up getting rich without any effort. In this video, we will be telling you the 9 passive income streams that will make you rich in 2023. Watch the video till the end as the last income could produce millions. Now let's start. 1. Invest in the stock market. The stock market is a fantastic method to create enduring wealth, despite the high learning curve and potential for confusion. Thinking short-term rather than taking a long view to achieve financial objectives is a frequent error that most individuals make while investing money. Diversifying your portfolio and lowering risk are the main objectives of stock investing. This may be accomplished through investing in mutual funds, index funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and high-dividend companies that provide capital gains over time. To begin investing in the stock market, you must create and fund a brokerage account with a reputable financial institution. To assist in planning and achieving the objectives of your passive income strategy, it is advised that you also talk with a financial advisor. 2. Let your extra space go. Perhaps you lack the starting money needed to invest in rental homes. However, does your flat contain a spare room? Or perhaps you're planning a 3-week road vacation but don't want to leave your house empty. Your open room might be listed for rent through a partnership with a rental agency like Airbnb or VRBO. Those seeking for their next holiday may contact with homeowners through Airbnb. Since people choose Airbnbs over hotels because they are sometimes less expensive and frequently more convenient, there is a strong demand for your available space if you are an Airbnb host. If you want to know more earning tricks, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. 3. Receive money for internet purchases. You may get passive revenue from online purchases by using cashback reward sites like Swagbucks, MyPoint, and Rakuten. You may start earning money from these sites immediately after signing up by just shopping. More points are earned the more you purchase online. Moreover, the more money you can earn. Be careful not to go over your monthly spending limit or charge all of your credit cards in an effort to gain a reward. 4. Establishing a YouTube channel. Launching a YouTube channel is still possible. Every month, 2.6 billion individuals utilize YouTube throughout the entire world. That's a lot of potential customers to bring in for passive money. Now what? It takes few labors up front for initially little to no reward. The earning potential of a popular YouTube channel is substantial, though, if you have a long-term outlook and don't mind front-loading your work. As you produce content, get hits and views, expand your following, and earn affiliate sales, sponsorships, branded integrations, and ad revenue, they may all quietly pile up. Additionally, it's simple to branch out and launch a podcast to gain extra revenue from sponsors. 5. Purchase REITs. What happens if you don't have the funds to purchase complete housing complexes? Can you still make money renting out a room? In fact, you can. Using a real estate investment trust, REIT, platform like Fundrise, you may invest as little as $500 in a range of real estate assets and grow your passive income as the value of your investments rises. An organization that manages and holds successful real estate is known as a REIT. It's a fantastic opportunity for smaller investors to aggregate their funds to pay for things they otherwise wouldn't be able to afford. If you have beginning money, one of the finest income possibilities to consider as a long-term investment is real estate investment trusts. Beginning a business requires more than just the initial investment of cash. You don't want to make this investment in a careless manner. Fortunately, you may start with the aid of several resources, including this tutorial. 6. Sell designs online. When selling digital designs online, design marketplaces like 99 Designs, ThemeForest, or Creative Market are excellent options. You may create website themes, logos, branding assets, templates, graphics, or even typefaces using a website builder, and these platforms come with a built-in market that is already hungry for design resources. 7. Make business investments. Investing in previously unreachable business prospects is now completely feasible. With a $100 starting commitment and no investor fees, investing passively is simple thanks to platforms like Millionaires. The results? It depends, like with any investment. Millionaires, however, wants to make you anything between 10% and 25%. You don't even need to check out the companies yourself. The vetting procedure is handled for you by Millionaires. Simply put, you put up the money needed to start. This is an excellent, risk-free method of stepping into the world of company investment and learning as you go as a passive income option. 8. Make a job board. As an internet business owner, using a job board might be a terrific method to generate passive revenue. Employers use these websites to advertise open positions to job seekers. Job searchers have the option of looking for new positions online or in person. Employers may pay to advertise positions on your job board, and premium options like sponsored jobs or unrestricted access to your applicant database are available. You may get a job board theme and begin making passive money right now even if you don't want to create a job board from scratch. The simple part is now constructing the website. The majority of the work goes into making your job board known. Once the flywheel starts turning and your job board gains traction with loyal users, you may anticipate a sizable portion of your income to be passive. Visit websites like ProBlogger, Dribbble, or Construction Jobs for ideas. 9. Make no-code applications. Today's no-code technologies make it possible for even beginners to build mobile apps that range from simple to complex. It is feasible to get started thanks to platforms like AppyPie, Adalo, or Bubble. To begin with, you must choose between developing a website and a mobile application. There is also monetization to consider in addition to the app's idea, what market it will target, and problem it will address. That's all for today. Now you know all the best passive income streams that will make you rich in 2023. Do pick up these streams to become a millionaire. These 9 passive income streams are the ultimate ones. Share this video with all of your friends. Do subscribe our channel and also hit the like button to know more financial tricks and secrets to earn money. Comment below if you are left with any queries in mind. Thanks for watching this video till here.